Hey y'all, it's Steve, Hobo with Wood, and this is my unboxing video of my Roly Automation LaserMATIC MK2 XW, the extra wide, the big boy. And I unboxed it all by my lonesome, and I'm going to show you how I did that and how quick this thing is to get set up and ready to work. Hang around. So this is the LaserMATIC MK2 XW. I've got it on its side right now, and I'm not worried about it being on its side because this thing's been bounced around and tossed around like who knows what. But Roly packages their lasers as better as anybody I've ever seen. But I want to document this. This has been punched open, got a big dent in the bottom, a busted area in the bottom. But I honestly don't think that's going to matter. Now, let me get my unboxing knife, and this is all you need. And I'm going to open the bottom, not the top. And I'm doing that to make it easier to get the box off of this heavy bastard by myself.
I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota, and fell apart south of Salt Lake. Colorado calls to me, and Washington will always be begging for a piece of me to stay. Maybe some things never change, but I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I've swam the beaches on the West Coast, climbed the trees of Caroline. I felt the city streets of Boston underneath my feet, heard the sound of subways down the line. Walked the lakesides of Wisconsin and bathed in springs of Idaho. I could use a day or two, or even just an afternoon, getting myself lost in Chicago. Maybe I'm homesick for it all, 'cause I wanna know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I wanna home. 'Cause I have traveled across this country wide, and I feel there must be something more to find. I miss those mountains in Montana. I've wandered long enough to know how good a good thing was. I feel it more the further that I get. So the wheels are pointed west, till I know how it feels to hang pictures on a wall, sleep in the same bed at night. I want reasons to stay, I want someone to take up my time and miss me when I go. I'll find reasons to stay and someone to take up my time. Then I'm not gonna go when I get home. I'm going home. I packed a photo of us from our very first date. You packed the water, 'cause I couldn't carry the weight. And into the ashes you carved out a heart with our names. I can still picture your smile through the mask on your face. And we
So after the physical unboxing was done and the electrical connections were made, got the air assist hooked up, got it positioned correctly, make sure there's no kinks in the air supply hose, either inside the machine, the framework, make sure it feeds nicely through that back hole in the wall there, and then position your air pump so that it doesn't kink when it wants to come out. Air assist hooked up, of course power supply is hooked up, cameras hooked up. What else? Camera, air assist. Of course, the USB connection. I didn't hook up the wireless connection. Once that's all said and done, then it's just a matter of getting it set up in your computer. If you're using Lightburn or whatever software you're using to work to control your laser. I use Lightburn. So I got it all set up in Lightburn, got all the drivers. I actually already had the CH430 driver since I had the MK2 already, so it's the same driver. Just a matter of getting the camera lens set up and then getting the camera alignment set up. If you have any problems with that whatsoever, you jump over to Facebook and go to the Roly Automation official Facebook group, and you can reach out to Dimitri and set up an appointment. Usually you can get to you fairly quick, but you can get on his schedule and you'll have I think like a free hour-long introduction and setup to make sure everything is working just like it's supposed to. I'm telling you, man, the service from Roly is second to none. Second to none. It's up, it's running, and there's my Roly. It's so big, it doesn't even want to fit in the screen there. I've still got my MK2 there. In fact, I've got projects working on it. I've got to get some stuff finished for the big anniversary show that's coming up in 2 days. Today is Thursday, so Friday, Saturday, 2 days. I'm giving somebody a brand new Roly of their own. You just need to be in the live stream. It'll be this Saturday, June the 15th, 2024 at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. There's going to be a lot of giveaways, lots of prizes, a lot of thank yous going out to all of my supporters and my patrons. And somebody in that live stream will get their very own brand new Roly Automation MK2. It's going to be an MK2. And I talked with Leo, and is it going to be an MK2 or is it going to be an MK2 XW? I don't know. You need to tune in to the live stream and let's find out together. So I'm Steve, Hobo with Wood. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the music. I really like that. And if anybody's curious, the vocalist on those last two pieces was Ira Wolf, and I just love her voice. I love listening to her stuff. It is free music on YouTube, but I really, really enjoy her stuff. So again, thanks guys for hanging out, and I'm looking forward to the 2-year anniversary. Until then, I'm Steve, and I'm out.